This is the Cuisinart DGB30 custom grind and brew single cup coffee maker. Here you see it fits perfectly with over an inch to spare under a pretty standard 17-inch counter opening. Very well made, very well designed. It does accept paper filters if you don't want to use or reuse the one provided. And one thing I've noticed is the directions say on or off with a push. In fact, you'll see here, if you want it to turn off, you have to lean on it uh, for more than that amount of time. See, I'm leaning on it and it will go off. So that's fine. Uh, really well made, well designed. And I just think the coffee is so much better when it's ground from beans. So I really recommend this. It fits where a simple one would fit. Highly recommend it.